Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to force update your Synology server from 6.2 roughly to the latest 7.1. So we actually have two Synology servers right here in front of us. One, for some reason, if I go to control panel and do check for updates, it says it's got the latest version, right? But we know 7.1 has been out for a while, and it still is saying that this is the latest version for this NAS. But if I go to the same Synology model, same everything, same specs, everything, it actually was able to update to 7.1. And as you can see, that's what it's running right now. So question comes to mind is, well, how do we update our first Synology server, which is this exact same? I know it's an RS815, it's an older one. But like I said, it's just a demo NAS that we just use here in the office, that we just use for demo purposes. So let's go ahead and force update it, right? So to do that, you need to go to Synology's support website, go to the drop down here in the download center and go to NAS, type in RS815 or whatever your model is. Make sure you select your model. Do not copy my 815, my old little NAS here. Make sure you put in your correct model, right? And then if you go down, you can actually select the OS version to see if it's compatible, and it is. There is a 7.1.1 DSM download for that NAS. So we went ahead and hit download. Now to do this update, we need to go back to our NAS. Then we need to go to update and restore. And then we'll do manual DSM update. So select that, hit browse, go to your desktop here, and or wherever you saved it, maybe in your downloads. Select that DSM file, hit OK. And like I said, make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you're selecting the proper model, because you could have major issues. Hopefully Synology has a system in place that will actually check to make sure this DSM is compatible with your model and everything. But like I said, they might not. It could be one of these firmware things, and it could just blow up your entire server. And I don't want to see that happen to someone. So make sure you're selecting your model on that download center. So we're going to give it here a couple of minutes. I'm sure it's going to take a little bit because it's transferring like almost a 500 megabyte file from my desktop to that Synology server, applying that update, and I'm sure it's going to have to reboot. So let's go ahead and pause it and see what happens after this. Oh, look at this. It just popped up. I learned something new. So we actually have to update it to 7.0.1 first before we do the 7.1.1. So let's just go back here, go to 7.0, and let's go ahead and download this version. And then we should probably be update from here, and then we can just select the other .pat file and then upload it from there. So we'll wait for this to download, and then let's try it again. All right, it's done downloading here. Let's go to manual DSM update again, browse, select that new file, which is the 42218. Click OK. All right, now we've gone somewhere good, so let's go ahead and just letting us giving us this update notice. Let's go ahead and scroll down. Make sure you read everything, because I'm sure some packages are not going to be compatible in the newer version, but we don't care because there's nothing on this NAS, so that's fine. Yep, 10 to 20 minutes. Hit yes. All right, there you have it. Now we're updating to 7.0. All right, update is complete, and it's just rebooting the NAS now. Okay, the NAS is fully rebooted, and it's just getting ready now. So it looks like the update is working. Alright, you guys, it looks like it fully updated, so let's go ahead and log into it now. Alright, you guys, once we are logged in, you can see welcome to the new DSM at 7.0. Now, I'm kind of curious to see if we can just do the update through control panel now. So let's go ahead and go into our control panel once we get out of all these windows. Alright, control panel is loading up. Let's go to update. Hey, there's a new update. Look at that. We don't even need to do a manual update for that new 7.1.1. So let's go ahead and download an update. And look at that, you guys. That's how we forced update to 7.0. And now we're able to do all the updates after that. So like I said, I hope this video was helpful. And please check out our Discord server. If you liked the video, please like it. If you dislike it, please dislike it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.